At Minfos, we understand that your workday is busy and that there is a lot to keep track of. The Minfos Calendar is designed to enable you to easily record appointments or tasks against specific dates. It is an ideal communication method for team members who may not cross over shifts but need to hand over important information to one another. When Dispense Pro or Stock Manager is launched, the calendar will automatically display if there are notes for that day. The Minfos Calendar is accessible from several locations in both Dispense and Stock Manager. From the Dispense Pro module, access the calendar via the calendar icon or select Calendar from the File menu. You can also open the calendar from the dispense form using the keyboard shortcut Alt, Shift and 1. From the Stock Manager module, access the calendar via the calendar icon or select Calendar from the File menu. To open the calendar from Order Maintenance, Order Editing or Product Maintenance, use the keyboard shortcut Alt, Shift and 1. When opened, the calendar defaults to today's date. To view or add an entry for another date, select the date from the calendar displayed. Today's date is highlighted by the red outline, and any dates with notes saved against them will appear in bold. Notes that are entered into the text box at the top of the calendar window will be displayed automatically when either the Dispense or Stock Manager modules are opened. This section is ideal for general notes that are applicable to all team members. Notes that are specific to either dispensary or stock management team members can be entered in the applicable text box below. Select the module the note should display in, enter the information, and then click Save. When the module is opened on that date, the calendar window automatically displays with the appropriate tab selected. Entries can be easily removed by highlighting the note and pressing Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. If you forget to press Save when adding or editing a note, you will be prompted to save when you attempt to select another date or close the calendar window. It is possible to print notes from a specific date or range of dates. Click Print, enter your desired date range, and select which types of notes you would like included using the checkboxes. It is possible to select more than one checkbox. Click OK, and the calendar notes report is displayed. Click Print to print this report. The printed report can be used to share with other team members or even as a checklist where you can mark off tasks as they are completed. To learn more about the Minfos calendar, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.